Candy, Talamisan, yes or yes. I was finishing my PhD at De La Salle University when I met Lifestyles. 3 months na lang ang lola. Tapos na ang aking PhD in Applied Linguistics. I used to be a professor and a retired principal at when you are at De La Salle or other Ivy League universities, you are expected to study abroad, to write books, to train teachers, and I did that. Napakasipag ng mga professor, di ba? Yes or yes? So it was July 2012 when I met Lifestyle sa isang mall. Ayoko siya. Sabi ko, ayoko yan. Maingay, baduy. I did not want the noisy environment kasi may vertigo. Pag nakasumpong ang vertigo ko, nirarush ako sa ospital. Yes, my toxic goiter was very, very toxic na nga. The toxin goes down the heart, nagpapalpitate ang heart ko, and then, ano pa, yung BP ko, 197 or over 100. Doon ako sinumpong sa Orlando, Florida after I presented my book. What else? Ang dami kong gamot. Grabe. Simvastatin, atenolol, Lipitor, levothyroxine, Supraneuron, Neurobion. Ay naku, antibiotics. For 16 years, walang nangyayari. Until I met Lifestyles. There was blood already in my urine, kaya sabi ko, there's no harm in trying. I bought the biggest package. Bakit? Kasi may siyam na libre. And the product, no side effect, no overdose. So I took the 9 bottles free massively. In less than 4 months, nag-goodbye ako sa St. Luke's, Cardinal Santos, and Medical City. Ganyang kahusay ang ating product. Yes or yes? So if the product is good, aba, share mo. I started sharing it with my students, with kahit kanino. My blockbuster testimony was a young girl of 6.5 years old, dying of cancer, and the hospital already released them. They couldn't help her anymore. I shared the product. Now, she is 16 years old, so pretty, cancer-free for many years. Yes or yes? What else? Pagka-share ka ng share, our company is so generous. Yes, I get paychecks. Ang check ko, 6 figures income every month. We were able to buy 2 brand new cars, napalitan yung aking patay-sindi na aircon na kotse sa De La Salle. And then we bought a 3rd car which we gifted to our son. Opo, dito sa Lifestyles, pwede kang magregalo ng kotse. And then we also bought 2 condominiums. Fully paid na yung first condominium, 5.6 million. We gifted that again to our only son, and we are staying in our 2nd condominium here overlooking the Antipolo mountain ranges. Yes or yes, ang lolo at lola ay nag-i-enjoy sa solitude. Maraming travel, maraming local travel, international travel. My favorite travel happened in July 2019. Bumalik kami, mga elite leaders. We went to London to train our London team. We were there for 17 days. Grabe. Pasyal, shopping, gala, pasyal pa more. On my return to Manila, I was welcomed by a check. Alam nyo kung magkano? Yes, 398,000 pesos. Nagpasyal, nagpasarap, may cheque. That's what we call passive income here in Lifestyles. If you do this with compassion, with excitement, with due diligence, your checks every month are sure to come. Yes or yes? Alam nyo, when you have many people to help, the checks go a long way. We are able to help Alay Pagasa, Christian Foundation, dyan sa Mandaluyong, pastors, Christian workers, campus workers, and we even are able to help very poor people. Yes, yes. Ganyan po ang buhay ng lolo at lola. And our tithes and offerings go higher and higher each month. Our government is so happy with our Lifestyles income. In 2021, when I was promoted GMD, I got a check of 1.2 million and my ITR rose to 407,000. Grabe, kalahating milyon. Tax lang yon. That shows you our company is so legit. Legit na legit. We pay our taxes. Ano pa? Aba, yung ibang pera, we put them in paper assets. Your Lola, at age 74 in 2022, I was given an award, Lifetime Achievement Award. Yes, whether you are young or old in Lifestyles, they recognize our efforts and our love for people and the company. Ang lola, masayang-masaya ang family ko. Actually, my family had COVID in 2021, but none of us had to be hospitalized. Walang na-hospital sa amin because our body is what? Very, very punong-puno ng Intra, Nutria, Fiber Life, Cardio Life. Our immune system fought the virus. Kaya we are able to travel again all over the world. Last year, we were able to go to Dubai with my sister teacher din siya sa Sydney, and her husband, mechanic in Sydney, Australia. With Lifestyles income, we treated them for 10 days. Gusto niyo yan? Nakakapag-treat kayo ng mga loved ones? Pinasyal namin ang Burj Khalifa, the biggest mosque in Abu Dhabi. What else? We visited our Dubai Lifestyle Center. Upon returning to Manila, wow, pagkatapos naming sumakay ng kamelyo, sa Maynila, sa Subic, sumakay naman ng lola ng mga ganyan na sakayan sa Subic. Yes or yes? Last April, we were able to bring our kasambahay and her daughter to Hong Kong. Pinasyal namin sila. Napakabuti ni God. They are so diligent, trustworthy workers. We pasyal them again. At ang lolo at lola, wow! Yes, nagparasailing kami sa Boracay. Yes, gusto nyo ba yan at age 76? Hindi ka naka-rocking chair sa bahay, nagpaparasailing ka, yes, because of our health products. My team is growing bigger and bigger and bigger. Ang dami naming incentive. We travel, we work together, we pray together every Tuesday. We have a Zoom STP and praying together. We've been twice to Cebu, nakipaglaro sa mga butanding. Wow, ang sarap. What else? Sige pa lang, sige pa more. Ang lola nakakapag-rappelling, zipline, ang sarap-sarap. Nag-gym ako. Yes or yes? Only in Lifestyles. Halina kayo. Don't wait too long. Join us and be a healthy, wealthy lifestyler and lola at 76. To God be the glory.
Thank you so much,